Hi, Heidi here. I recently got the pair of jeans that I'm currently wearing, and they're still fairly plain, so I wanted to make them a bit more interesting. So I came up with a fairly simple method. I'm just going to be making a few strap details using this clear plastic. This will be the sort of shape that they'll be, and then I'll be overlaying it on this fabric, which isn't very stretchy at all, so it'll be good for this project. And then on one end I'll have one of these poppers to fasten it down at one end. It will probably make more sense once I just show you what I'm doing. So I'll be using my sewing machine for this as well, which will make it much quicker. I'll show you now what the trousers look like before. I have reconsidered the black fabric I'm going to be using. As much as I like this fabric, it's already really shiny, so having a plastic layer doesn't really make as much of an impact as I want. So instead I went with black denim, and it's a slightly different texture to this one, slightly different shade, and it will have the kind of effect that I wanted. So this is actually part of a pair of jeans. I made the legs into kind of, I guess you could call them leg warmers, but they go up to your thigh. So, but this was the rest of it. So I'll be using this, and yeah, I think I'll have a strap probably coming out of the pocket like that on either side, and then the legs I was thinking having two straps, one on either side of the front. I was considering inside and outside seam, but I feel like because these are boot cut especially, the inside would just catch on each other all the time. So I thought two at the front, because I still want two, but then if they're both at the front, that will be much easier to wear, more practical. And to cut these to size, cut this out, sew the strips together. Straps are sewn ready to be attached to the trousers now. None of them match exactly, but that's not a problem for me. I'm doing the pocket ones first as they're slightly more complicated. I had to hand stitch because it wouldn't have worked with the sewing machine. Placing them at the same angle is important, so I'm gonna take my time with doing that. I've done the fastening on the strap first, so I can just press it into the fabric, and then I can easily see where to do the other side. I have done both of the pocket straps now, and I've sewn on these ones. I used the machine for this as it was much more accessible than the pockets. So these are all sewn on, and now I'm going to put this side on first. So I'll just do all four in one go, and then the attachment underneath all in one go again. These poppers are very strong, so I'm not going to be worried about them coming undone. I decided to add some to the back as well, as it looked a bit unbalanced, just having details on the front. And here they are. They came out pretty much exactly as I hoped they would. Just goes to show adding a tiny bit of detail can make all the difference, and of course they're still really comfortable and easy to wear. I rarely find jeans that are interesting to start with, so instead I look for ones that have DIY potential. I hope this video was helpful or inspiring in some way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.